everyone. Today we have an extraordinary Arduino project to share with you. As you can see, this Arduino project is all about turning an old classical phone into living piece of nostalgia. When someone approaches the phone, it automatically senses their presence and starts to ring. Just like it did in the good old days. If someone picks up the phone, they will hear a recorded voice saying, "Please tell your message to the future." Project kapağı takip etmeyi unutmayın. Once they speak their message, it gets recorded onto the SD card for safekeeping. Let's dive into the details. Inside this phone box, we have integrated all the components needed for this magical transformation. Here, we have an ultrasonic sensor that detects if someone is nearby. Everything is inside the phone box, including the Arduino board and SD card for message storage. At the back of the phone booth, you will find the power input, two buttons for turning our ringing robot on and off, and a silencer for the ring to keep things quiet when needed. We have also made some exciting modifications to the phone itself. Inside the headset, we have added a microphone for recording messages, and there is a speaker to play back those messages back. To capture that authentic ring sound, we have even installed an electromagnet to activate the phone's bell, giving you that original nostalgic ring. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or want to know more about to build this project, please don't hesitate to ask in the comments below.